Look, you don't need to be a tech genius or marketing expert to rebuild your income. You just need the right system and a little belief, right? That your next chapter can be better than your last one. Listen, I'm gonna share a story with you about a young lady named Sarah. Sarah worked in operation for a mid-sized company for 6 years, right? She was good at her job, organized, dependable, the kind of team member that everyone would want to have and trust. Okay. Then one day, Sarah came in, she got this email. We're restructuring. Your position has been eliminated. No warning, no backup plan, just fear. If you ever been in that spot, I know I have. You know what that sinking feeling feels like. Rent is coming up, bills keep coming up, job boards, they look like casinos, right? It's almost impossible to get something. But here's what Sarah did differently. Instead of jumping back into another job search that's going to take 6 to 12 months, she decided to bet on herself. She heard about a business model that didn't require coding, it didn't need ads, and didn't mean chasing clients all day. So it was built around a platform that I use called GoHighLevel. And what it does, it let regular people set up simple AI automation system for small businesses. Super simple. So she gave herself about 30 days to learn it, right? And here's how it worked for her. She literally opened up high level, used the free trial that we have, pick a ready-made website template, and found local plumbers on Google. And she just started reaching out to them, right? The one that didn't have a website. She'll call, she'll call, she'll call, she'll call, and then somebody answered, and she's like, "Hey, I noticed you don't have a site. I'd love to build you one for free. That would help you book more customers. Would that be something you're interested in?" That plumber said yes immediately. Within a day, she used high level, drag and drop, pulled their logo, and built something super simple. A website with an AI agent on there that's able to answer questions and book meetings. Now, when a visitor landed on that person's site, the chatbot answered their questions instantly and book appointments 24/7. Or that visitor decides to call, the AI voice agent will make sure that they answer the phone. No missed calls, no manual follow-ups, just simple automation doing the work in the back end. That plumber was thrilled, right? He actually offered her about 300 bucks a month to keep this thing running. That was client number one. And then all she has to do is repeat this over and over and over again. Process was simple. She did it for the local dog groomer. She did it for the local gym. And guess what? Within 2 months, right, she had 5 clients paying her every month for a system that she set up once. Think about that. No ads, no inventory, no boss. Just simple AI automation in a laptop with some Wi-Fi. See, the reason this model works so well is because you're solving a real problem that a lot of small businesses are facing, right? Especially local businesses. They want more leads, they want to follow up faster, and most don't have the time, the money to hire a full-time staff internally to do this. You step in, you offer a system that does it for them, using a platform like GoHighLevel to handle the tech. You just connect the dots. That's all you're doing. You're connecting the dots. And the best part, you can white label this whole thing, add your logo, your brand, your pricing, and now to the client, right? The platform seems like your own software. And guess what? Fast forward 6, 7 months later, Sarah's no longer sending resumes. She has a small AI automation agency. She's running from home, making more than she did her old job, and she's able to get back her freedom. No commute, no boss, no one breathing it down her neck. And she's feel more confident. She's able to build an income stream for herself, right? Something that she owns, something that can run and she can keep running and grow as big as she wants. So this is not a get rich quick scheme. It's really just get smarter by leveraging system to build something for yourself. So if you ever felt stuck or laid off, especially now, and wonder how do you start over, this is it. You learn the skills one time, help local businesses forever, and you leverage automation to handle the rest. So I'm a partner of GoHighLevel. I'm able to give you a free 30-day trial of their software. You could click the link below. If you want the same system that Sarah used, or you want to use something similar, all you have to do is reach out. My team and I can help you. We have a team of VAs that can also set all these things for you. No upsells, no gimmicks, just the tools you need to start building your own freedom. Because guess what? If someone like Sarah can do this after getting laid off, there's no reason that you cannot do it yourself. So hopefully this is valuable. If you like this type of video, like, share, comment, let me know what you think, and would love to kind of keep sharing more of these that can help you. All right. So look forward to hearing from you soon. Cheers.